The DEICIT Handheld Digital Microscope combines a clear 2-inch color screen with a compact body that fits easily in a child's hand, making close-up viewing simple without needing a separate phone or computer. Its adjustable bank of 6 light-emitting diode lamps does a good job of evenly illuminating tiny subjects, so kids can see details in leaves, fabrics, and insects that are normally invisible. The included sample slides and built-in camera function encourage real exploration and documentation, letting young users capture and review their discoveries instead of just looking once and moving on. With the generous 32-gigabyte memory card, children can store a large collection of photos and short clips, turning the microscope into a small field lab they can carry anywhere. The sturdy construction and thoughtful design feel ready for classroom or backyard use, with controls that are simple enough for elementary-age kids, but still satisfying for curious older children. Overall, this miniature microscope offers an engaging mix of portability, easy operation, and genuinely useful magnification that makes it a strong choice for science-themed gifts and hands-on learning.